All right, the belt's on. Now you want to verify all the ribs are sitting correctly. Make sure that is centered. The belt is centered on this tensioner pulley, the water pump pulley, the idler that we replaced, and yeah, you want to verify it sits on the AC compressor pulley properly as well. Okay.